Hey explorers! Today we're going back in time, 65 million years back, to the Dinos Alive Exhibit in Toronto. If you love dinosaurs, immersive experiences, and hands-on fun for the whole family, this one's for you.
What did you write, Adriana? What did you write? Name Adriana, age 8, favorite dino. Dada? What? Bro.
You'll find the exhibit at 30 Hanover Rd, right in North York, just off Dufferin and Shepherd. It's super easy to get to by car or TTC, and there's paid parking available nearby. The space is massive, perfect for an indoor prehistoric adventure, rain or shine. Inside, you'll come face to face with over 80 life-sized animatronic dinosaurs brought to life with realistic movement and sounds. From the fierce Tyrannosaurus Rex to the gentle Stegosaurus, every creature is a jaw-dropping sight.
Oh, that's so cute. Closer.
But it's not just a walkthrough. This is an interactive, immersive experience. Dig for fossils, crawl through jungle zones, and check out the virtual reality experience. We can ride a dino or escape a dino chase. Pro tip, book the VR online with your tickets. It fills up fast.
You cross out the dinosaurs, you find.
The exhibit is great for kids ages 3 and up, but it's designed for everyone to enjoy. It's fun, educational, and full of hands-on learning, perfect for a weekend family outing or school break activity.
The screens are interactive. They can touch it. Oh look, you can touch them. This is what?
My favorite dinosaur.
Tickets start at around $22 for children and $28 for adults, with discounts for students, seniors, and families. Be sure to book online in advance, especially for weekends or holidays. They do sell out. There are plenty of great photo ops, so bring your camera or charge your phone. Whether it's standing next to a T-Rex or climbing inside a giant dinosaur egg, you'll want to capture all these moments.
What do we do? Look, there it is. Right there on the back. Okay, let us scan, press the button. Okay, let's look for the black dinosaur.
Toward the end of the exhibit, there's a gift shop with fun dino merch and a small snack bar for drinks and treats. Outside food isn't allowed, so plan a meal before or after you visit. Whether you're a dinosaur-obsessed kid or just young at heart, the Dinos Alive Exhibit at 30 Hanover Rd is an unforgettable experience full of excitement, learning, and roars of fun. Thanks for tagging along on our prehistoric adventure. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more family fun across the GTA, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite dinosaur? Stay curious, stay wild, and never stop exploring.